Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Today I'm going to show you how to create a high-efficiency summary of an English passage. The goal is to help you understand the text and confidently share its key ideas and values in English. We'll walk through 5 simple steps together. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the title. The title is Firsts in Life. From this, we know the passage is about some students' first-time experiences that are unforgettable or meaningful. Step 2. Learn the key vocabulary. Here are some useful words from the passage. 1. Interview. 2. Filter. 3. Recall. 4. Crash and burn. 5. Presentation. 6. Task. 7. Ruin. 8. Depressed. 9. Reflect on. 10. Treat. Step 3. Read paragraph by paragraph and identify the main idea. Paragraph 1. A school reporter interviews 3 students about their unforgettable first-time experiences. Paragraph 2. Robbie shares about his first online class. He enjoyed online tools and had some funny moments, like his grandma interrupting and a camera filter turning his teacher into an alien. He realized he still prefers face-to-face learning. Paragraph 3. Claire remembers her first failure. She didn't prepare for a group presentation and felt ashamed. However, she learned the importance of responsibility and teamwork. Paragraph 4. Nancy talks about her first trip abroad to South Korea. She enjoyed the food, music, and local culture. Despite her poor Korean, people were kind, and she left with great memories. Paragraph 5. The article encourages students to share their own firsts that are funny, embarrassing, or meaningful. Step 4. Combine the main ideas into a clear summary. In Firsts in Life, 3 students talk about special first-time experiences. Robbie shares the funny moments from his first online class, but says he prefers in-person learning. Claire talks about her first big failure in a group presentation and how it taught her to take responsibility. Nancy describes her first trip to South Korea, where she experienced a new culture and made unforgettable memories. Their stories show that first experiences, whether funny, embarrassing, or meaningful, can teach us important lessons. Step 5. Practice and upload your work. Now it's your turn. Read the summary aloud to practice fluency. Record your voice and upload it to Beyond Norm to get feedback and keep improving. Ready to share your own firsts? Let's go!